Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. We have wasp issues. I don't know if you guys remember when I first moved in, there was a really big wasp nest on my balcony and we had to get it knocked down. The people came to knock it down. Well, they're back, so I can't go on my balcony right now, and because it's one right behind my door to get out there to the balcony, it's one right outside the door, so I'm a little nervous. And I did want to go out there and chill out today, but I'm not able to do that. So I'm getting ready to go to Trader Joe's. I need to check my P.O. box. I need to clean out my oven today, which I know you guys are not interested in seeing that, but Tony just got here with the cleaner for that, so let me see which one he bought. Let me see. Oh yes, so this is it. This is the oven cleaner that we use and it works pretty good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my oven down and let it sit until I come back from the store. I just need to pick up a few snacks from Trader Joe's. I want to get some of that hummus, some, what else? Oh, they got these really good olives from Trader Joe's, so good. My Japanese rice, you know, normal stuff that I always get from Trader Joe's. I need to go grab that really quick, and like I said, go to my P.O. box, and that's pretty much it. So you guys are gonna roll with me, so let's go. I'm wearing these shorts right here that I got from H&M. They're so cute. They're like oversized shorts, high waist. They have like the little slit on the side. Now I'm not going to Trader Joe's anymore because I just found a mysterious stain on my couch and nobody knows who did it. But somebody did it because I didn't do it, okay? So there's a stain, and to me it looks like somebody tried to clean it up, and now it's drying. But let me show y'all. They try to play me like I'm crazy around here. I'm on it, y'all. Here's the stain right here. It was really big, but it's a little dry now. But they try to play me like I'm crazy. Don't y'all see it? It's right here. It was big though. It was like huge. So this is how it looks now. So at least it's drying up, but so now I'm in a bad mood. My skin looks so good. So good. Y'all, I don't really have anything to do today. Kalila was supposed to come over here this morning when she got off work. But she said she feels really sleepy. Well, she didn't get off work this morning. She got off late last night. But she was supposed to come over here early this morning, and she said that she was feeling tired. So I told her, just, girl, go to sleep, okay? So I made some green juice yesterday, but I didn't vlog it. And that was really good. I tried to make a lot because I really like it. And let me see. I'm so hungry, y'all, and I don't have anything to eat. Let me close my blinds. It's so bright. Is that better? Yes, that is much better. Much better. Okay, so I gotta find me something to eat, y'all, because I'm hungry. Change of plans. Once again, we're going to Sonic. So yesterday, I took Lil Tony to Sonic to try one of the nerd slushies or whatever. And so he wanted some jalapeno poppers, which I love jalapeno poppers. And we both, well, we got us an order of jalapeno poppers. It was so good. So good. So we're going to get more. You gonna say hey? No. He's shy, yeah. Don't pay him no mind. He's shy. How you gonna be shy?
I'm playing that.
Ow, Mom. Excuse me. Get out of my way.
You hurt me.
But y'all remember when I was telling y'all about that Chinese food? I think that's what I'm gonna get again. So this will be the third day in a row that I've had that Chinese food. But it's so good. It's called China Garden. It's delicious. So I think that's what I'm gonna get again, because it's 3 o'clock. I haven't had anything to eat like all day. Nothing, not a piece of toast, nothing. Just my green juice, and that's it. So I'm pretty hungry. Oh y'all, I did add some new stuff to my Amazon store and my Like to Know It account. So the links are always in the description box. Don't forget to check them out, because I do this for y'all, so y'all don't forget to check it, so y'all can, you know, get into the looks that I leave for y'all, that I find for y'all. Right, honey?
Mm-hmm.
You're just so handsome. I can't.
Stop, Mom.
Okay.
Thank you.
Jeez. All right, so this time, because yesterday when we got the jalapeno poppers, we only did one order, and I just got 2 of them. But I'm gonna get my own because I'm hungry, and then I'm gonna go to the Chinese place. You want Chinese too?
I'm full. Me and Dad ate already.
What y'all had? See, boy. What y'all had? Chinese food?
No.
What?
I got
A sub?
No.
What?
You let me respond. We had got a teriyaki on a stick.
Yeah, Chinese. That's what I know.
It's not Chinese. It's actually Louisiana.
Yeah.
Where you at?
We're at Sonic. What you want?
Peanut pepper. And then, let's see. Just get me the same thing, except don't change out the cream.
Okay.
Or actually, yeah, just give me a red flavor this time. We'll try it.
Okay.
What?
Where is your shirt at?
I just got up, so.
Hi, can I get 2 orders of your medium jalapeno poppers? And a medium, what you want, grape? And a medium cherry blast with the nerds. Thank you. Thank you. Here. Thank you so much. Yes, we got the goods, y'all. We got the goods. Now I just ordered the Chinese food. So, which way should I go?
Man, there's a lot of jalapeno peppers. Ooh, they hot, mama.
Oh, good.
They're really hot.
But I just ordered the Chinese food, so I'm gonna go pick that up, and then we're going back home. Yeah, here's the peppers. They're so good. If y'all haven't tried Sonic's cheddar peppers, try them. They're so good. And get them with ranch. Bomb. Okay, y'all, and this time I got the beef and broccoli, white rice, and what did I get last time? Did I get shrimp? Yeah, I got the shrimp and broccoli the last time. This time I got beef and broccoli, shrimp egg rolls, and the white rice. But now I'm not that hungry because I had the jalapeno poppers, so I'll just save it for later. Okay, y'all, so I'm back on Manifest, and you guys were right. I'm hooked. So you just have to watch it a little bit longer, because remember I told you guys on the last vlog that most of the things that was happening on the show was pretty predictable for me, because I'm that type of person that I like to kind of try to figure out what's going to happen next, and that's what I was able to do with the show. But now, you know, watching it a little longer, I'm into it now. So you do have to get past, if you're like me and you know, you felt like the show is a little predictable, just watch it a little bit longer. So I just finished episode 11 on season 1. So it's getting really good. Honey, oh, y'all know I'll give a spoiler, but yeah, I ain't gonna give a spoiler. But yeah, I'm on season 1, episode 12. So I have my pink popcorn here. This is definitely something that I would do with my little sister if we're having like a cute little sleepover. That's something that we will always do no matter how old we are. So I have pink popcorn here. I'm eating my Boom Chicka Pop. Y'all know that this is my favorite. And this is just sweet and salty kettle corn. I love kettle corn, so this is the brand that I get. It's Angie's. I would always get mine from like Whole Foods or Fresh Market, but now they have it in Walmart, and they also carry it in Target, of course. So it doesn't come this color. It's not pink. I just use some of my color mist. Y'all know that I use this all the time. You can get it in orange, green, blue, black, silver, gold, pink, and purple. So I have my pink popcorn here, and I'm gonna watch Manifest. Okay, y'all, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at IAMSHERIKAB, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, y'all.
Taking just so deep and live my life. Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments.